I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes with your truth for the week. I'm here to help you put feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously in 5 minutes or less based on the message that just came out. Matthew, the 5th chapter and the 8th verse says, "Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God." Well, guess what? How are we going to get this pure heart? First thing, we need to develop the habit of taking everything to God. That means we need to take the people, the ones even that treat us bad, as well as the ones that seem to treat us good. We want to take all of the events that happen in our lives, the circumstances, the situations. Lord, you saw what they did. Lord, I don't like this outcome. Are you trying to tell me something? But you take all your concerns, the people, as well as the places, the things, the events, you take it everything to God. That's step number 1. But step number 2, you're going to ask God for clear vision. Oh, Lord, change my eyesight. Maybe I need a new prescription. I want to not only see them now, but I want to see the possibilities of where you're taking them in the future. What do you have planned for them? There have been many of people who were disruptive, a little defiant, and they end up being the best pastors to lead you into the kingdom. We want to make sure that we see clearly and we don't discount anyone. Third, I want you to remember from whence you've come, because you weren't always clean and holy. You did some stuff. You had some dirty knees. That's right. You wiped your knees off and you got down on them, and then you accepted what God has already done for you, that yes, he had cleaned you up from the top to the bottom. And so when we remember from whence we've come, it's easier for us to see the possibilities in others. The fourth thing that I want you to do is to thank God for not only changing you, but for changing your heart, and so that it would look more like his. That's your truth for the week. How you're going to rise above any circumstance that is available, anything that presents itself, including people. How we're going to rise above. That's the truth for the week. I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes, and it truly has been my pleasure. Go ahead and keep listening to these podcast lessons, but go back and check some out, the other ones, and share it with someone else if you will. Have an absolutely fantastic rest of your day. Hi, I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes with Heart Truth Ministries, and it truly is my pleasure, family, and those of you that are listening, because I consider you all family, that it is my pleasure that I get a chance to serve you. Please continue to like and share this message so that we can reach as many people as possible. I know that I have the encouraging words, the prayers, and the podcast messages available to you, but I also have a coaching program. I'm known as the Performance Excellence Coach. I believe that whatever you do, you ought to do it with all of your heart as unto the Lord and not to man. In addition to that, I am fond of my treasured women, those women that have been overwhelmed or devastated by the double D's, divorce or death. I help them gain confidence to live life on their terms with peace and financial security. So if that happens to be you, make sure you go to my website, chontahaynes.com/free-gift. And I've got a gift there for you. It's called From Grief to Gain, Financial Healing After Heartbreak. And I want to make sure that I get an opportunity to bless you. So if you're listening to this message and that's not even you, there's some other resources that are there as well. So go ahead and check out the website, but like, subscribe, and share this message with someone else. Make sure you also hit that notification button so that you'll be reminded the next time we have another upload. It's been my pleasure. Dr. Chonta Haynes with Heart Truth Ministries, helping you put feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously. Have an absolutely fantastic rest of your day. You can find us online at htruth.org. At Heart Truth Ministries, we're helping believers live an abundant life based on God's word, standing on his promises, walking out his principles, sharing with God's people, serving as unto the Lord.